Okay, so we're replacing RFA after another locksmith was here and attempt to read the data, and I think he burned out the computer. We're gonna go to RFA. Let's see. Here it is. You can see the VIN is empty. And do learn VIN. Completed. Software update. After I did the learn VIN, I had to rescan the car and do software update. Right now, it's calculating 6 out of 12. So far, looks good. So we're gonna put a key in the reader. Okay. Passenger seat. All right, let's see. Sorry, too fast. All right, let's see. Okay guys, everything was successfully done. What we need to do is, it's a few steps. It's to go to, after we do software update, we have to do replace RFA modular and then add passive keys. Everything works perfectly fine. See? That's key number 1. I'm gonna put it here. Key number 2.